Welcome to this video. I'm Daniel from FootyAmigo.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a live example of how I pick games such as these to bet on from Footy Amigo without actually creating a pre-match or in-play strategy. I'm actually going to be placing these bets live. I'm showing you the results now, but I'm actually going to show you the mindset of how I pick the games and how I actually place the bet. And you can actually see in real time how the bet was placed and my mindset behind it. Now, Footy Amigo was created as a platform that allows you to create both pre-match and in-play strategies. And once Footy Amigo finds matches that fit your rules and criteria and strategies, you're going to receive an alert to your phone just like this. However, most people don't know that you can actually find valuable games to make profit on a daily basis without actually creating a strategy. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to actually find games to bet on Footy Amigo without creating a strategy if you don't want to. So let's get started. So once you're logged in into your Footy Amigo dashboard, you're obviously able to create both pre-match strategies and in-play strategies. I have hundreds of both pre-match and in-play strategies. Now, most people don't use other pages. They only just create both in-play and pre-match. The purpose of this video is to show you that you can actually find valuable games from other pages on the website. So in this video, I'm going to be creating a very safe 2 odds bet slip, and my goal is to double my stake today. So my favorite page is the Strix page. So I'm going to show you how I pick games from this place and how I just try to find very safe bets to place. So the Strix page is a page that shows you teams that are currently on a streak in various categories. So you have the home win, away win, both teams score, and various markets. So let's just go back to the home win, right? So the home win tab shows you teams that are currently winning at home, and it then shows you the odds for them to actually win their next game. So let's take this game for example. The home team has actually won 7 out of 7 games in the last 7 games they played, and the odds for them to actually win the next game is 2.50. So you can always click on a team, and you can always let me click on a team, and you can always check the results tab to see. And as you can see, the home team playing at home, they are just winning, right? So that's quite interesting. And the odds for them to win their next game at home is 2.50. So I'm going to sort this table by time because I want to place bets today. So let's see something. So today I'm trying to find games for today, and I'm trying to find ones that I think I'm going to get good odds from. So let's see, a lot of games today. So let's actually place a bet on this game. The time for the game is going to be around 7 p.m. And the odds for them to win is 2.5. However, I'm not going to be placing a straight home win bet. I'm going to be placing a safer bet. I'm going to place a double chance bet. So I'm just going to put that in my bet slip. I'm going to copy the name of the team, and I'm going to paste it on my bookie. I'm using William Hill for this. So I'm going to copy that, and women. Okay, yes, it's this one. So as you can see, this is the game. So I'm going to search for the double chance markets. Let's find that. This is the double chance market, and the odds for that is 1.33. So I'm going to put that on my bet slip. That is good, right? So even though I can see that the chance of them winning their next game is very high, however, the goal is to find safe games. So I can just go straight away and place this, or I can just find a safe alternative. So the safe alternative for this is double chance, and I've put that in my slip. So I need at least 2 more games to make a 2.0 bet slip. So let's pick one from, let's check this. Let's see. Let me find another one that looks interesting to me. Okay, this looks interesting. Actually, let me click on this and see something. These guys, let me click on this, and yeah, they've just been winning, and the away team has been winning as well, and they've lost, and they only had 1 draw. So maybe I want to also play double chance for this as well, because the odds for them to win is very, very high, and the teams are quite, interesting. So I'm going to put that on my sleep so I can just copy the name. So let's copy this right now and paste it on the bet on display. So I'm going to click on search. I'm going to actually copy paste this. Hope these guys have the market. Great, they have the market. So I'm not going to place straight win bet. I'm actually going to go to double chance, because the mindset is to place the safest bet. So I'm going to do this, and my sleep is 1.67. So one more game and we are ready to go. So let's find maybe one more year, or let's actually find one from another market. So let's go to over 1.5 goals. And let's sort this by time, because I want to place this game today. Okay, this is quite good. However, the odds is low. So let's check the away team place as well. Let's sort this by... So this is good. This is good. So, okay, this is good. So the away team has had 10 out of 11 games where they actually had over 1.5. And let's click on this and see how the home team has been playing. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I think this game has been played already, because I can see the score. Let me actually click on it and search for it. I think this game has been played already, because I can see the score. Let's search for it. If we find it, that's good. If not, we're going to find something else. Oh, okay, this is it. So it hasn't been played already. So let's find over 1.5 goals. I don't think these guys have the market for that. Let's click on goals totals and find over 1.5. So this is 1.36. So now my odds is 2.27. So I've been able to find 3 games that I'm actually going to place a bet on by just finding games from the streaks page. I can also find games from other places, but this video we are just going to focus on the streaks page. So now I have 3 games, yeah, and so this great. So I'm going to put a stake of £10, and my return is going to be 22.73. So I'm going to place the bet. So boom, that has been placed, and let's just confirm. Okay, cool. So it's been placed, and we're going to come back when the match has ended.
A few moments later.
So after waiting a couple of hours, the games has actually ended, and as you can see, we won the bet, and we put a stake of £10, and the odds was 2.27, and we were able to double our stake. I didn't really have to spend time creating a pre-match strategy or in-play strategy. I was able to find these games just by coming to the streak page. I was able to check a few tabs, and then I found a few games that looks interesting to me, and then I put them in a sleep, and I was able to then find the safest bets to place. Now, even though the stats showed me, for example, that this home team had 5 out of 6 games where they've won at home, I didn't just go straight to placing a home win bet, because if there's anything I've learned in over 10 years of placing bets is that you should not be chasing high odds. Now, somebody will see this and say, oh my God, I'm going to place, home win bets because the odds is 4. But if you've been betting for a very long time, you know that it's not about the big odds. It's about finding value. It's about finding an edge. And I personally felt that placing a double chance bet for this was actually more valuable than chasing the 4.0 odds. That is why I didn't place home win bets for these 2 games. I actually placed double chance, because I knew that personally, based on the stats and my experience, I knew that I would find better edge and value by placing double chance than actually chasing the straight wins. So that is exactly how you find some interesting games to bet on a daily basis, by just coming to the streaks page if you don't want to create a pre-match strategy or in-play strategy. So let me actually close this, and we only used 2 tabs, the over 1.5 goals tab and the home win tab. You really don't have to stress yourself. All the data has been put in a very easy to understand and easy to consume way. So once you come into this place, find a tab that you like, and then explore the teams and the stats, and then use the stats and the data to inform or to make a smarter and well-informed data-driven betting decision. I hope you've been able to enjoy this video, and I really cannot wait to see how you make use of the tricks page. Thank you.